session, my evaluation semester. This is my team. Let's get started our material.
Okay guys, before we get into the materials, I will give a brief explanation about Windows and Linux Mint. The first the Windows operating system is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Microsoft. This operating system manage computer hardware and provide common service for software application, and Windows allows user to interact with the computer using user-friendly Windows icons and menu. And while Linux Mint is Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and Debian, aimed at being easily accessible to new users. This operating system offers a similar look and feel to commercial operating system, so user switching will have no trouble adapting. Based on Ubuntu and Debian, Linux Mint benefits from stability and a wide selection of software.
Okay, this is material comparison of Windows and Linux Mint. Okay, material and users. This is some of the material we will discuss. Number 1, comparison. Comparison between Windows and Linux Mint. Number 2, graphical user interface or GUI. Comparison of Windows and Linux Mint graphical user interface. Number 3, feature. Comparison of Windows and Linux Mint feature. Number 4, required results. Comparison of required results between Windows and Linux Mint.
Comparison. Overall, Windows is suitable for users who rely on commercial software and are looking for a mainstream experience, while Linux Mint is attractive for users who prioritize flexibility, cost efficiency, and security in their computing environment.
Okay, next our material. Graphical user interface. Number 1, experience and design. Windows 11 feature a modern, minimalist design with center design, taskbar and smooth transition, animation, profit, and sense of consistency. Accessible apps. And Linux Mint, exemplary the Continuum version, has a look and feel more reminiscent of classic Windows, classic Windows, or like Windows 7 with simple and functional. And number 2, menu and navigation. Windows 11 offer a minimalist style menu and navigation that focus more on apps and cloud service like one device on drive. In contrast, and Linux Mint uses a traditional menu similar to the Windows 7 start menu providing comprehensive apps, country, and access for user accustomed to multi-level.
Okay, number 3, graphical user interface. Windows 11 has a fixed text bar at the bottom, which limits placement flexibility. Although it supports some features like application pinning and quiet setting, while Linux Mint allows the panel to be moved to various positions, top, bottom, left, and right, and comes with many applets that enhance functionality. Okay, last one, graphical user interface. Number 4, user friendliness.
Windows 11 is designed for general user friendliness with a wealth of familiar software, although its settings are more pleasant and less flexible. While Linux Mint is very user friendly for new users, especially those moving from Windows with lighter and faster. Overall, Windows offer a modern and integrated visual experience, while Linux Mint provides the more family and flexible interface, ideal for user who when cosmetic sense and access. The next features. The first, design. Windows more modern and glossy, while Linux Mint simple and flexible. Next, UI customizations. Windows more limited and Linux Mint very extensive. Next, resource dependency. Windows more heavier and Linux Mint lighter. Then, file and system access. Windows more simple and Linux or more for user friendly. And the last one, suitable for Windows a more general user and Linux user who want more control.
The next material. Required resources. Windows versus Linux Mint resource requirement comparison. Windows requires more resources, especially RAM and storage. It's suitable for general application, games, and Windows-specific software. Linux Mint is much lighter, especially the Mate and XFC version. It's ideal for other laptop or PC or user who want faster performance with less RAM. Linux Mint also has power background processes, making it more responsive on lower-end devices.
Okay, the last material. Conclusion. Overall, Linux Mint is better suited for users who want a lightweight, research efficiency operating system, while Windows 11 because Windows 11 offers a rich interface experience and broader support for commercial applications. Okay, this is our video. Thanks for watching and thanks for participation. Next, our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wabarakatuh. Nyambung. 3, 2, 1. Assalamualaikum.